Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do, pals. Okay, we're gonna put these two things back on the engine. This one's stripped, this one's messed up. Here's the next part, bud. We're gonna put the water pump in, then we're gonna put the cover plate on we're gonna make a cover plate for the gas pump. And what else are we gonna do?
We're gonna get some engine mounts.
Johnny's gonna put some engine mounts on. Right, Johnny?
Johnny, yeah.
Cool.
Pretend like I'm doing it.
Easy, Tiger.
Bye, Chris.
Hi, Christopher.
Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
You got a date?
So we're not making a plate for the fuel pump hole because we're using mechanical fuel pump instead of electric one like we thought we were going to. Just finished making this seal, and then we're gonna put it on and go from there. We're going to finish attaching the carburetor to the rest of the engine, and then we're going to try to attach the water pump. And today we have a special guest, Joaquin, all the way from Peru. Hi. Fun fact, the car will explode.
I don't like that.
So we messed up a little bit, and now we have to take the radiator off so we can fit the water pump on. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, that's fun. Okay, so here is a recap of the last few days. So, we managed to get the carburetors on, then we put the header pipes on, and then we attempted to put the water pump on, but we were missing a part for it. It's the spacer between the fan. Some things that went wrong is we tried to attach the drive, and it fell into the engine bay. So after a grueling hour, we managed to get that out, and now we're going home. So yeah, that's a recap of the next few days.